Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi. Guys, be sure to go and check out her channel, which will be linked in my description box down below, as well as the playlist that will be linked down below, because we're bringing you guys under 5 ingredient recipes, whether it's chicken, pork, desserts, you name it. So today I'm going to give you guys 2 recipes that call for ingredients under 5. So yeah, my first recipe under 5 ingredients is right here. All right, so we have some mini marshmallows, stick of butter, honey graham crackers, and milk chocolate morsels. So I wonder if you guys can guess and comment down below what I'm making with these 4 ingredients. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan and line it up with some parchment paper. All right, so I'll push that in when it's time. Until then, let's get started on the other stuff. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these graham crackers and put it into my little blender right here. This was bought off of Amazon. If you guys want the code for that, that'll be linked in my description box down below. This definitely is a great on-the-go blender. So here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and break up some of these crackers before I put them in, just because this blender is not so big. Alright, now that I have that done, I'm now going to measure 1 cup of the chocolate chip morsels. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and melt this butter to get this process rolling here. So while the butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my graham crackers into this bowl, and the butter is going to go in here, and I'm going to mix this up. So here's the butter. I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this in together. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the parchment paper, and then I'm just going to press down firmly to shape it. Alright, so now that I've pressed it down very firmly, I'm going to go ahead and add in some of these chocolate chips onto the top of it. And then I'm going to add some of the, actually I'm going to add all of the marshmallows. And last but not least, I'm just going to go ahead and add some more of those chocolate chips to the top of the marshmallows. Alright, so we're going to bake this in the oven on 325 for about 15 minutes. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I will show you guys at the end these Gooey Smores bars. Alright, so for my recipe number 2, that is under 5 ingredients, these are cheese sticks. So my kids tend to waste a lot of cheese sticks, and it's crazy because they ask me for them, or I buy them thinking that they need something different as a snack, or like something to take for breakfast. So look no further on another way not to waste cheese sticks if you have some. So in my refrigerator, I found these cheese sticks in good date. Kids only ate half of them, so normally I buy like the kids cheese sticks like this right here, and then you know, just like character ones. And so basically all you need for this is flour, breadcrumbs, an egg, and the cheese sticks, and that's it. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and put it into, cut your cheese stick in half, put it into the flour, and then go ahead and from the flour, put it into the mixed up egg, and then take it from the egg and put it in the breadcrumbs, and then boom, put it into your air fryer. Guys, if you have air liners like this, be sure to use them, as you're not gonna have to clean your air fryer too much. I wanted to do an air fryer recipe because of the simple fact I'm always looking for air fryer recipes, and I wanted to share this one with you. So next, you're gonna put these in the air fryer on 400 for about 5 minutes, and when they come out, they should look a little bit like this. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on to 400, and these are going to cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so they are done. As you can see, some of the cheese came out of them. You can easily put these onto a piece of paper towel, or you can put it onto a plate. So let's put it onto a plate and give it a try. Okay, let's try them both. All right, so I'm gonna try the cheese stick, and then I'm gonna try my Gooey S'mores bars. Definitely good, and it's definitely a good way for the kids to not like waste food. This is something that you could easily get marinara sauce to dip on the side, and really good, really crunchy, and also very cheesy. All right, time for the Gooey S'mores bar. As you can clearly see, oh yeah, gooey for sure. My graham cracker broke apart, so it is what it is. This is really good. So yeah, my s'mores bar might be falling apart, but it's still good. So yes, y'all, be sure to check out the playlist link below. Also, the ingredients for these 2 recipes will be linked in my description box as well. Also, be sure to tell them that C'Aira sent you over to check out the playlist and their videos. Thanks for watching.